All right, good afternoon, folks. And coming at you today with a little bit of news and a request from you as well. So we've got some exciting things in the works in the background. As you know, if you've been following for any period of time, you know that we've been talking about automation and back testing of the powerful 3S code strategy. So I need some feedback from you. We've been in discussions with the programmers for several months looking at different variables and parameters that we are eyeing, find the best optimized strategy for the 3S code. And there really is no perfect fit because it's going to vary depending on each individual user. I am looking for your feedback on what is working for you as far as what settings you're using, what filters, any other parameters that you may be using on either a intraday or swing basis. So anywhere from down to a tick chart all the way up to a 4-hour daily, weekly, and so on. And just to give you an idea here, we're looking at a 233 tick chart on the E-mini S&P. This is live trading, and I've got a 200-day moving average overlay and also my shorter-term moving averages here that I like to use for additional confirmation. I also have a 5-period RSI at the bottom where I'm looking for divergence opportunities. And you can see here, though, if you removed all of this on the chart, the moving averages even exclude the RSI, that we've got some really nice trading opportunities today just on the 233 tick chart. So you can see we've got a short forming right here. I have divergence looking like the price action will be coming down underneath the short-term moving averages. And notice that the 200-day is resting at TP1 or profit level 1. That always seems to serve as a magnet for price action. So we'll see how that one shapes up. But we had a nice long there, nice long there, a long there, and a short there. And we can even go back and look at all of these little trading opportunities just here in the first hour of the day. Some of you are trading off of a 1-minute chart. So this is also something that you can look at here for additional ideas. We had a nice long there. We had a short trade there, a losing trade there, nice short trade there, and a long trade there going back to about 6:45, 7 a.m. Central. Let's go over and take a look at crude oil. We did have crude inventory today, so there's always caution trading into that. But we can see that we did have a profitable short there into that report. We had a nice short early this morning, about an hour before the report was released. No trade here per my rules. As you can see that the averages had not crossed and they're spread far apart. Let's move to a 233 tick and see what kind of trades we had today. So no cross there. Come over here and see what else we had. So you can see some of the setups we had on a 233 tick chart on crude oil. Another time frame I like to watch is the 5-minute on an intraday basis. So we can see we've got a lot of noise here forming a larger base. 1, 2, 3 top there on the 5-minute. No real cross there. We've got a cross and a retest right there. This is early European session. We'll take a look at the CL. And here we had a cross and then the retest, reaching target objective right here. No trade there as the averages are too far spread apart. Same thing here. So only one trade thus far in CL on the 5-minute. And then let's lastly go over to the 30-year bond market. Yeah, really, so no trade today. We look like we have a 1, 2, 3 bottom forming here at a price level. Did have one trade here around 4:30 in the morning, but no trade activity thus far in 30-year bond. So I am looking for your feedback. I've shared with you what works for me, some of the filters and add-ons that I use for extra confirmation. Do not take every single setup. I'm looking for very specific things here. Those of you that are already members, owners of the 3S code, I welcome your feedback on certain parameters and filters that we can apply as we build this out and part of our back testing and automation strategy. Those of you that are not yet owners of the 3S code, I'll pop a link in the email so you can grab a copy so you are included in the special release of the back tester an automation tool when it does become available. So as always, if you have any questions, reach out to us at support@seasonalswingtrader.com. Look forward to hearing from each of you. Good luck, good trading, and we'll see you on the next update.